eye-catching clothes, the latest electronics, cars that impressed anyone who saw me drive by. But that shiny appearance hit a hole that grew deeper every day. A silent emptiness no one could see, except me, in the late nights staring at my banking app and feeling the weight of always being in the red. Every choice I made seemed to push my life into a cycle of illusion. The more I tried to look successful, the further I drifted from real financial security. It was in this brutal contrast between what I showed and what I lived that I started to realize my entire life was built on sand. And in that moment, I didn't know it yet, but I was about to face the truth that would change everything. The turning point came when a simple notification, another overdue bill, made me feel something I hadn't felt in a long time. Shame. Not in front of others, but in front of myself. How had I let things get this far? Why was I sacrificing my future just to maintain an image I didn't even believe in? That was the moment I understood that my financial life wasn't out of control because I lacked money, but because I lacked responsibility. I was driven by impulse, by the desire to be seen, by the fear of being ignored. And that constant need for validation was expensive. The problem was never how much I earned, but how much I wasted trying to sustain a fantasy. This realization was painful, but it was the exact shock I needed to wake up. The first step to getting out of the hole was facing the raw truth. I didn't know where my money was going. Everything felt urgent. Everything felt deserved. Everything felt justifiable. But when I sat down to track my expenses for the first time, I realized I was financially bleeding through daily decisions I didn't even remember making. It was like an invisible leak that, drop by drop, was destroying my peace. Understanding this gave me a new insight about myself. I wasn't spending out of necessity, I was spending out of emotion. Recognizing this pattern allowed me to create the first simple system that changed my life. Recording everything, absolutely everything. And for the first time, I felt like I was taking the wheel of my own financial story. But tracking alone wasn't enough. I still had to face the most powerful enemy, my inflated lifestyle. I lived as if I earned twice what I actually made, and that kept me stuck in a never-ending chase for the appearance of prosperity. I decided to do what I feared most: cut. Cancel subscriptions, reduce expenses, stop replacing things that still worked. At first it was uncomfortable, almost humiliating. It felt like I was moving backwards. But slowly, something surprising happened. None of those cuts made my life worse. On the contrary, they brought a lightness I hadn't felt in years. I was finally stepping out of the role of slave of the next month and into the role of someone building, gradually, a new financial foundation. Real, solid, sustainable. It was during this period that I discovered the power of compound interest, not as a concept, but as a path to freedom. Before, I thought investing was only for people already wealthy or with too much time. But when I made my first contributions, no matter how small, I realized it wasn't about the amount, it was about consistency. While my old self would have bought something that lost value instantly, the new me was putting money to work silently, every day, without complaining, without demanding attention. This mindset shift was like flipping an internal switch. I stopped chasing immediate rewards and started thinking long-term. That's when my future truly began to change. Over time, I realized that saving alone wouldn't be enough to grow. I needed to increase my skills. So I began studying marketing, sales, productivity, financial education. I discovered that knowledge is the investment with the highest rate of return that exists. Every new skill opened new doors, new markets, new opportunities. Gradually, new income streams began to appear. Freelancing, projects, partnerships. None of this existed before because I didn't exist as a professional who truly added value. My growth stopped depending on my salary and started depending on me. This became one of the greatest financial freedoms I had ever experienced. From there, I understood that relying on a single source of income was like walking on thin ice. I decided to diversify, even if slowly. While the older version of me would have quit at the first obstacle, the new version treated each challenge as a step. I started small, building parallel income streams, creating security where before there was fear. Each extra source became a layer of emotional and financial protection. And the more I built, the more I realized that true stability doesn't come from a salary. It comes from the opportunities you create along the way. When I finally sat down,